fucking
Yo,
bitch,
chill, bro. You can hit my camera, bro. Yo, chill.
The fuck are you, bro?
Fuck out, man. Fuck.
Get the shit out of me.
You get skipped for anything, bro.
I think I pissed my pants. Man, I'm not joking.
You did?
Fucking piece of...
Hell no, boy. Watch out.
What the fuck is that?
What are you doing, nigga?
God,
Bro,
I
chill
swear
out,
to
bro.
God, man.
Put that shit down, bro.
No.
Put that shit down, bro. The hell's your problem, bro?
The fuck? Stop! Stop! I'm serious, stop, man! Stop! I don't fucking beat that guy too! Look, he fucking...
The hell is that? You look like him, man. What you mean? You look just like him, bro.
Now we have no remote?
God, you ugly. No, chill.
What the fuck? Bro! Yo, I'm not... Yo, what the...
Damn, it smells like ass, bro.
Bro, I'm not lying. I'm not shitting you.
Woo!
Bro, I shit fell on the floor. I'm not joking.
A shit on the floor.
Yes, I'm not joking, bro.
Should I go in?
No! You fucking bitch!
God damn, it smells like shit.
Stop fucking... What the fuck is that?
Oh shit, hell no, watch out.
Damn!
You smell like straight booty, man. Whoa.
I'm shitting, dumbass! Don't see me! You fucking bitch!
Oh no, chill. Don't come out like that, bro. I'm recording.
What the fuck? Stop it! Fucking... Stop scaring me!
What the is wrong with you, bro?
Stop scaring me!
You ain't gonna throw your crocs at me now? No, chill. What did I tell? Hell,
Oh my
watch out.
god! Look what you did! Can you stop, man? You're scaring the fishes! What the fuck is your problem?
Yo, chill.
You're scaring the fishes! I'm sorry!
Yo, chill, dog. Damn. Oh, shit. You got hands, bro. You learned that from your brother, man.
You never teach me anything! You never teach me how to lose weight, you piece of shit!
It's easy. You don't eat that much. That's it, bro.
Fucking scared the
What do you expect from eating 3
Now
plates?
they don't come to me! You wanna fight? I'm not joking!
Oh my goodness. Now you're gonna put all this titty sweat on me, bro.
Come here! Fucking shirt. Don't fucking open this shirt.
You broke the horn, you fucking shit, bro. You broke the damn...
I'm glad. I hope it still works and I wanna do
Piece of shit, bro.
I'm gonna go fuck. I'm gonna get 3 fucks.
Damn. I wanted to keep scaring you, but now I can't because you broke the damn horn, bro. Chill, the camera. Oh my. Chill, bro. Watch out with the camera, man.
You wanna go? You wanna go? Take your hat off.